my tongue, it always tells the brutal truth. Yun na nga eh.
Ah,
Hindi kasi ako sugarcoat pa eh.
okay.
Doon ako, kaya nga hindi na ako kinakausap ni Mikey Williams eh. That's the reason why.
Hmm.
Dati ako pa tinawagan nila, tulungan mo kami ng issue ng ganito, gano'n. Sabi ko, okay Mikey, wala problema. Eh, nang criticize ko minsan dahil nga nag 1-4-10 sa finals, hindi na ako kinibo.
Hmm.
Which is
Well,
okay.
inaway mo daw kasi. Pero I think you're in the point in your life that you're not trying to please anyone. You're just trying to do your job.
Hindi ko siya inaway. Pao, I did my
Mm.
job.
Yeah.
And my job told me that this is the best player. At that time sa TNT, he was making $26,000 a month.
Yeah.
And it was finals against Ginebra, favorite team mo. I know you remember this. Series na talagang grabe ang banatan. Tapos, in one of the games, he went 1 of 10 from 3-point range. 10%. So I wrote na, if you're the best player and the team looks up to you, you can't be 1 for 10 from the field. Which is a fair criticism.
Yeah.
Nagalit. Hindi na ako sinagot. Ghosting na, nag-ghosting na. Parang ikaw pa, nag-hosting, pero siya may ghosting.
Pero naman, Homer, kahit na Williams ang apelido niyan, may Filipino heart pa rin yan. So, alam mo naman ang mga Pilipino, medyo sensitive tayo eh. I mean, I understand where you're coming from. That's why you're very good. That's why you're very good. No? Don't get me wrong. Pero when you
But
say that to
siguro pa,
someone,
in the next few months,
sige.
mag-expire na yung contract ni Mikey and then he'll find out na hindi na interesadong convert sa kanya. Baka kakaibiganin ako dyan. Ha?
Teka. Naglabas ka na naman. Is that what that statement that you said? Please
what?
repeat. Please repeat.
Well, sa narinig
mag-expired.
ko, yung contract ni Mikey, mag-expire yan in the next few months. Sa March yata. Diba? Kasi 1 year lang pinirma niyan eh. Tapos, narinig ko na yung converts, hindi na masyadong interested kay Mikey.
Why?
Kita mo ba ang laro niya, Pao? Is that scoring? At isang issue daw kay Mikey is, ito yung na-observe daw ng mga nagbumulong sa akin. He is now guardable.
Who is not guardable? Dati hindi?
No, Pao. He was not guardable. He was unguardable. You are at the mercy of his own, kung baga, mamalasin talaga. Pero when it comes to creating his own shot, creating separation, he cannot stop him. Parang Kobe. Parang ganon mga player. Like Abarrientos. Abarrientos is unstoppable because because he can always evade his guard. He can create his open shot. Magdasal ka na magmintis.
Pero grabe naman yung standards na yon, porket guardable. I mean, a lot of players in the PBA are guardable, and to not be interested because nababantayan na siya. So, grabe standard Or is it because of the money that's associated with this contract?
Yes.
Na hindi
because
na align,
kumbaga. Hindi na Hindi na siya align. Diba?
So, hindi na siya ganun worth it sa amount na nakukuha niya. Is that what you think?
Yes.
Magkano ba yung nakukuha niya? You can answer or not. But I have to ask.
According to my sources, $22,000 a month.
So, ang tatanungin kita, kung ikaw ngayon, what do you think is his value and how would you rate it, o kumbaga, anong amount yung value niya ngayon sa laro niya? 12,000 US dollars?
Yes. Kasi yung ngayon daw, according to my sources, $22,000 a month siya ngayon.
50%? So, are you telling me na bumaba din ng 50% ang laro niya?
Yes. You're not the same player.
Okay.
May Stockton, may Diliano. Diba?
Okay. If you're Converge, would you, I mean, with those players that you mentioned, is it still a need? Or is it still a need or a want? Or what? For Converge,
It's a convenience.
Convenience.
It's like having a house with already 3 cars on it, and adding a fourth would be okay, but it would not also be bad if you don't do it.
Parang rin sa bando sa Gilas.
Yes. No. Ren Sabando is
Ano?
not a convenience. He's not needed, period.
Okay. All right. But, well,
Ang
grabe.
dami pa eh. Tingnan mo, may Dwight Ramos. May Oftana. Ang dami. Diba?
Hindi na tayo talaga kakausapin ng mga players na to. Ikaw
May
talaga.
Tamayo.
Trabaho lang po, Trabaho lang po. We love you guys.
Like I said, listen,
Salamat.
at saka, Abando can also make an argument. I don't need Gilas either. Thank you very
Yeah.
much. O, di ba?
Yeah.
Kasi
But-
ganda na, sarap na ng buhay niya. Nasa KBL siya eh.
Balik tayo kay Williams.
Okay.
Well, meron pa bang just in case, if ever sa March or after March, are there any teams that would be interested, or if not interested, would be a good fit for Mr. Williams?
TNT.
Back to TNT.
It makes sense because number one, miss na miss ni Mikey in terms of how he is being used. Diba sa TNT, babad talaga siya, 35, 40 minutes a game. Diba? Tapos, mga kaibigan niya nandoon na familiar na siya, saka sila familiar sa game niya.
Okay.
Diba? Pugoy, lahat. Jason Castro, nakilala na lang. They won 2 championships together.
All right.
Ang issue lang talaga daw, nakausap ko kampo ni Mikey Williams, parang ayaw talaga nila ni Jolas eh.
I was gonna ask you why yes, why no, why wouldn't it happen, or why will it happen?
Yun lang,
Si Jolas.
Si Jolas ang issue. It's not like...
Ayaw ni
hate is
Jolas.
No, ayaw nila ni Jolas. Kampo ni Mikey.
Okay. Ayaw ni Mikey Williams kay Jolas.
Kampo ni Mikey, yes, kay Jolas.
Oh, bakit naman? Management lang naman siya. Di naman siya i-coach. Why?
Pero yung remember the time, the beginning of the end of TNT and Mikey's relationship, there was a year, I think 3 years ago, na-suspend si Mikey dahil palaging late. Diba? Sinuspend. Si
Okay.
Jolas ang team manager noon eh. Tsaka may mga lumalabas na mahilig sa party si Mikey, gabi na umuwi sa condo niya. Ang pinagbintangan doon, kala ng kampo ni Mikey na si Jolas nag-leak sa media. Pero from what I was told, hindi ba alam ni Mikey na yung driver niya, 24-hour driver niya, TNT employee yun. Of course, pagsumbong yun, pagtanungin, di ba? At saka, tsaka yung condo ni Mikey na tinitirahan niya, may CCTV, tsaka may key card. So nalalaman kung kailan ka umuwi. Kasi pag punch mo ng card, nakikita.
Yeah. Plus, bakit naman magagalit si Williams? Siya may kasalanan dito, and I am with Jojo Lastimosa here. Kung
Yes, I
talagang
agree.
tardy tong player ko at medyo nakakasira na sa laro dahil puyat lagi, I'm just taking care of your well-being, talagang bibigyan ko sa suspension. Ang tanong, si Homer Sison ba ang nag-break ng news na yan?
Of course. Sino pa
Kaya
naman?
pala-
My
kaya
God,
pala-
what kind of question is that?
Kaya-
Jesus Christ.
Kaya pala kaya ka pala hindi nakausap.
Including sa practice, nangangamoy pa daw eh. Nangangamoy chicos.
Oh. Ikaw yung coach, nangangamoy Chico ako pero nakaka 30 points naman ako.
Yun na nga.
Mm.
Right? If I do my job, what do you care? Pero it's all about discipline kasi, Pawe. Basketball is a team. You have 11 other players besides your star player. And the conduct with which he conducts himself, translates into team morale. Diba?
Even if the trade-off is like championship, kasi may mga tao talaga na mas magaling pag nakainom in
Oo nga.
whatever work.
Pero hindi naman, in fairness, hindi umiinom si Mikey before games. So,
Yeah.
after, medyo mahilig siya mag-celebrate, di ba? Okay naman yun. Minsan daw nga, Pao, according to my sources, there was even one party daw na tagal daw umuwi ni Mikey. Binuhat na daw po, hindi na raw makatayo. Ganun daw kalasing.
Okay. Mas bagay pala siya talaga lumipat sa Hinebra at saka sa San Miguel.
Yun na nga. Kung ang Ateneo dati,
Oh.
may Terdy Ravena,
Mm.
ang TNT naman may Tardy Williams. Aha.
Ganun ang mga mensahe mo talaga.
So, but you know what? It would be a good, ito Pao, it would be a good story. Diba? I don't know about you, Pao, but I'm sucker for reunions,